Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate 5% off a price using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that cost 1043 and you want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 5% discount. Here's how you can do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price of 1043 into your calculator, press the multiply button and multiply by 95. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 95? Let's break this down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 5% discount means you are paying 5% less than the original price. So, if you take 5% away from 100%, you are left with 95%. In other words, paying 95% of the original price means you are saving 5%. So, by multiplying the original price by 95, then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating a 95% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So finally, press that percentage button, and voila, the final amount after the 5% off is 990.85. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine this time priced at 1,200. Once we've entered that into the calculator, we press the multiply button. Again, let's multiply it by 95. And when we press the percentage button, after a 5% off, the final price comes out at 1,140. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 5% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.